Today I will tell you a story that is the pit brimmed with water. Long ago, a pond was dug by a very affluent king, and it was announced that one person from each household would have to bring a glass of milk during the night and pour it into the pond. So, the pond should be full of milk by the morning. After receiving the order, everybody went home. One of the denizens of the kingdom made up his mind to take milk, but after pondering for a while, he thought, since everyone will bring milk, I could pour water in place of milk because it would be hard to see in the twilight. He quickly poured the water and came back. In the morning, the king was astonished to see the pond filled with water only. It so happened that everyone thought, like the denizen, I will not pour the milk, someone else will do. The moral of the story is, don't neglect your duty.
ভিডিওটি ভালো লাগলে লাইক করো, কমেন্ট করো আর আমার চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করো। ধন্যবাদ।